I'm going to show you how to request a payment on Payoneer. So first you want to head to payoneer.com and sign in to your account. Next, you want to click on Get Paid here. Now to request a payment, there is two ways, either sending an invoice or payment request. For sending a payment request, you can click on here, and then you want to specify who is receiving the payment request or who is paying you. You can search for them by email, name, or company name. For example, you can search by email and select them here if they paid you recently. Now you want to select the payment method, whether they should pay you through their Payoneer balance or bank transfer. Usually using the Payoneer balance is cheaper and low cost. With the bank transfer, there is a lot of fees that might be deducted from the payment. So you can select any one you want and then press next. And now you want to specify the amount you want to get paid. For example, the minimum is 50 euros or dollars or GBP equivalent. And you can specify description if you want to, and the payment due date here, and the requesting beneficiary name. And then you want to press next. And in here, you want to attach any documents that you want. And then you can click on request payment. And this should send a request or a payment request to the email specified or the company or the name you selected at the beginning. And the second way to request a payment is through sending invoices. You can go back to Get Paid and click on Invoices. Now you want to click on Send an Invoice. And then you want to specify the tax ID and an optional logo if you want, and then press Next. Now you want to select the payer from here and their currency. For example, you want to get paid in USD. And the invoice due date, you can select here as well and press Next. Now you want to select if you want to get paid through Payoneer balance or bank transfer. You can choose whatever you like and then press Next. Now you want to specify the details of the item for this payment request or invoice. For example, the item could be a description to a specific service, and you can put their price here and the quantity of how many times they bought that service and the tax percentage. You can also add other items by clicking add another item here. And then press next, preview the details, and send them the invoice. And once they receive the invoice, they can pay you. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.